Hi friends, welcome back to CodeShika. Today in this tutorial you will learn how to test custom inclusion template tags in Django using unit testing. Okay, inclusion tags are nothing but template tags that display some data by rendering another template. Okay, so friends, if you like my tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel because your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. Okay, now let's start the tutorial. So here I have created this simple project, and in the SRC app inside this template tags folder I have created one file that is header underscore tags. Okay, and inside this I have created this inclusion tag that is make underscore header. Okay, first I imported template from Django. Then next I created a register variable that is an instance of templates library class. Okay, next using @register.inclusion tag I created this inclusion tag by passing the template name index.html, and this tag takes template context, so I set text context equal to true. Okay, so using the output of this tag we are rendering the index.html template. So this tag takes value of title template context variable, and it appends this pipe and the website name, that is here Flipkart. Okay, now I am returning this value in the title tagline template context variable. Okay, so in index.html template inside this title tag I'm going to display the title of the page plus website name using the title tagline context variable. Now let's test our this inclusion tag. So here in the SRC app we have test.py file which is created by Django admin when we create this app. So first I will delete this. Okay, next here I will create a directory with the name test, and inside this directory I will create a Python file with the name _init . Because of this file our test directory will be treated as a Python package. Okay, now here in this directory I will create a Python file with the name test underscore header underscore tags. Okay, so first here I will create a class with the name make header template tag test. Okay, next here I will from Django dot test I will import simple test case, and inside this class I will inherit simple test case. Okay, this simple test case is the Django's class that will provide us attributes and methods to test our Django applications. Okay, so next here I will type a method def test underscore rendered in bracket self. Okay, inside this test we will check whether our tag is displaying correct data or not. Okay, so next I will create an instance of a context class. So here first from Django dot template import context. Okay, then here context equals to context in bracket. Okay, so our this tag needs title context variable value. So here we will pass title context, here title with the value home page. Okay, next I will create a template class instance to create a template. So after context here I will import template. So here template equals to template in bracket double quote here bracket percent bracket. So here to use our tag, first we need to load header underscore tags file. Okay, so here load header underscore tag. Okay, next here percent, then percent bracket. Next here we need to use our tag, that is make underscore header. So here make underscore header. So next here template dot render context, and here I will return the value, rendered value in the variable rendered. So here we are rendering this template with the context data title. Okay, here while rendering this template, the make header will also include our index.html data inside this template. Okay, and then it renders our index.html template using this context also. Then the rendered HTML code for this template will be inside this rendered variable. So next I will type here self dot assert in HTML. Here we need to check whether the title is displayed correctly or not. So here title, then home page, then the pipe, after that Flipkart. So again here slash end of the tag, that is title. So we need to check whether this HTML code exists in our rendered HTML, that means in our rendered variable value. Okay, so assert in HTML basically checks whether this HTML code exists in this variable value. Here we are passing title home page, so here should be home page. Okay, if this HTML code will exist in this rendered HTML code, then the test will pass. Okay, otherwise it will fail. Now let's run our test case. So here I will type python manage.py test, then the app name, that is src, then the folder for the test cases, that is tests. Okay, now our test is passed successfully, so it is showing here okay. So here I will change the text here. I will remove here from here home. Now again let's run the test. Okay, now the test is this HTML text is not exist in our rendered HTML code. So here it is showing assertion error, that is false is not true, and it couldn't find the title, page, pipe, then Flipkart title in our response. Response means in our rendered HTML code. Okay, so it is showing that your test is failed, and failures equals to 1. As we tested only one test case, so failures equals to 1. So like this you can check the HTML code rendered by your tag using assert in HTML method. So friends, if you like my tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel to get the new video updates first to you. And your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. So friends, please like and subscribe. Now in the next tutorial we will see a new topic. Bye bye.